Feelings and emotions change. It doesn't mean that if you don't feel something for each other anymore, the love is gone. If love were only feelings, then there's no such thing as lasting. Love can sometimes turn numb or even be boring. You just have to be patient. 'Cause love itself is life. Not all the time you are in for all its happiness. Sometimes you also have to give in to its bitterness. But no matter what, as long as you choose and decide to continue, it will be more beautiful.
Adik sa'yo, awit sa'kin, nilang sawa na sa'kin, mga kwentong marathon tungkol sa'yo at sa ligayang iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuloy ang bida sa isipan ko, ikaw. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hanap-hanapin. Sabik sa'yo, kahit maghapon na tayong magkasama, parang telesine ang ating ending. Hatid sa bahay nyo, sabay good night, sabay may kiss, sabay bye bye. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihid ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hanap-hanapin.